Hi there, students. So, a pot boiler. Well, you know what a pot is where you make a stew or you cook, yeah? And if it's boiling, it's going blub, blub, blub. But what does that mean? Okay, a pot boiler is a book or a film that was made for commercial purposes, to pay the author's rent. It's a book or a film where there's always something exciting happening and people always want to watch it, yeah? It's probably really rather bad quality, but it's what the lowest common denominator really enjoy. It's not a piece of art, it's just something to keep people interested and keep people excited, okay? So, a pot boiler. Yeah, you know, one of these films where there's always an exciting moment followed by another exciting moment, but there's not really much of a good plot. Yeah, a book could be like that as well. Yeah, I have the idea of this pot of food that's always boiling, so there's always something exciting happening, yeah, and it keeps people interested. Yeah, it's designed to keep people interested. It's not designed to be a work of art or anything good. It's just designed to pay. Yeah, it's commercial and nothing more. Okay, so next time you watch a commercial film like this, you know the phrase, a pot boiler. Yeah, okay, it's always, the plot is always on the boil. It's always interesting. There's always something exciting happening. Yeah, and people are going to watch it and pay for it. I think you know these rather bad quality series. Normally at the end of each episode there's something really exciting and then you don't know the outcome because they cut there. And that's the idea of a pot boiler, so you want to watch the next one. But with the film or the book, this is continuous, just happening on and on and on. Okay, notice a pot boiler, this is slightly informal as a phrase, yeah? It's not something that you would use in a formal essay, yeah? I think in a formal essay I'd use something like a film or a book made for commercial purposes, yeah? Designed to make money, okay? A pot boiler. Enough. I don't want this video to be a pot boiler. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.